Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on Toca Boca, easy method. Tap the kitchen, open the fridge, and gather flour, milk, sugar, and an egg. Measure ingredients with easy portions, mix until smooth and lump-free, then heat a non-stick pan on medium. Pour batter in 1/4 cup circles, wait for bubbles, flip gently, and cook until golden brown. Plate with syrup and fruit and enjoy. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on Toca Boca, easy method. Start by mixing wet ingredients separately to avoid overworking the batter. Slowly fold dry ingredients in with a whisk and stop when just combined for tender pancakes. Allow the batter to rest for a short period so it becomes slightly thicker and more cohesive. This step gives fluffier results and makes the pancakes easier to pour and flip in the pan. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on Toca Boca, easy method. Quick recommendation: if you like reading recipes anywhere, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite that makes recipe browsing easy and convenient. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making guides you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on Toca Boca, easy method. Heat the skillet evenly and use a small splash of butter to prevent sticking. Pour consistent portions and watch for bubbles to know when to flip gently with a spatula. Cook until both sides are golden and internal texture is fluffy. Serve immediately with syrup, jam, or fruit, and enjoy the playful presentation you created in the game kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.